Go a fitlha Mmayene a tsena Miguel. Hey, Miguel is not happy. Kore ha happy at all about being there. And ha fitlhe gore bona ke tlile because ke na le bana ba bannyane ba leng gore bone ne ba batla go tla. Nna if ne go ya ka nna I would not be here. So o tlile and then mo roast, like she's not entirely happy about being there, honestly. So hey guys, mthombeni wa ya ko go ene a kere wa fihla ene o fihlile bana ba itu, and then yeah, she explained on her diary gore ene sentle sentle nka ba sofale if things were according to her. So ba tswile late a fetsa go tswa go mmereko, and then Mpumelelo followed them. So ba fihla le Mpumelelo, and Mpumelelo le ene explains gore ai nna ba mfounetse ba re family trip ka re okay ka fihla ne ke le ko dilong tsa ka le nna ke le Mpumelelo. Okay sharp. They are there. They go sleep. In the morning, they wake up. Self-catering story has not happened even now because nobody wants to cook. So Mseliku has been asking for food from the place they are at. So basically, the cooking has not happened yet because basadi ba ha ba batle go apeya. But guys, I agree with them on that one. O ka se batle go ya tripping, o tswa mo ntlong, o bo fitlha o batla go apeya. No. And then at the sitting at table when they are eating, the Mpumelelo and his father get into a talk. We can't say it's an argument. They were talking. Well, they talk back and forth about the fact that Mpumelelo says if you want to talk about something and address it, address it. Don't go there and there and there, and do not talk about it now because Makumalo and Mangwabe are quiet about this Nay thing. They're not saying anything, so let's not talk about it. Or rather, if you want to talk about it, just say it out. Wawana bua fela because Nay offer. And then he talks about something Sabato Duma. Yeah, number 5. Bona Mpumelelo likes talking and being in charge, guys. That one is for sure. So the girls, Snelly, Barigimang, below, they are shocked. How is Mpumelelo talking like this to our father? And how is our father allowing it to happen? Mpumelelo is like Umukola to order in front of the wives, and Mseliku is allowing it. Okay, it happens like that, and then Ubuaka Kanya grocery, nobody wants to say anything. The 3 wives are sitting kotafling. Grocery, nobody wants to say anything at all. So Lwandle ends up uba file chance Lwandle. Then ufeleletsa ene Lwandle no, I'll go buy the grocery. So Mseliku wa bolela gore whatever Lwandle buys, it means you guys will cook it. And then they start by emela umolomo ya ko kwa yanting. Basadi ba batla go apeya, they don't want to cook. Okay, no problem. Now Mseliku ya go Mmayene umrare ar bue. Mseliku says ke batla go bua le ene because ke batla go understand gore why a fitlhe late. Nna ke batla go understand nna self. Nna is the person who's talking right now. Ke batla go understand gore why ba sa bue ka di phone ene le Mmayene. Mmayene ha re di phone tsa Mseliku gore Mseliku ba batla go fonela Mmayene. What's going on? Are they not married? Okay, Mmayene agrees. Wa mona Mmayene, man, she's not herself. Ha sharp. Ba bua, Mseliku wa mmotsa gore how are you? Wa mmotsa ene Mmayene gore wena o bona ke le yang. And then Mseliku a rena go bona o le sharp. So wa mmotsa gore why did you arrive late? Wa mo tlhalosetsa gore go etsagetseng. And then ba bua ka gore I also had to go do my hair. And then at some point umrare, can I see Mmayene ra ke re mpone phakela. Okay, mine is just being, hey, she's just being not available from Mseliku. And then go bua ka go robala gore ke go robala kae. Mmayene re tla robala le Mnini because that room is very cold and stuff like that. Mseliku are ai gona le gore ke robale le Mnini because Mangobele na batla go robala le nna. She has made it clear gore ha mpatle mo gaufi le ene. Nka mbane ka go robala le Makhumalo. Okay, cool, they agree. Mseliku ha fetsa fo wa re tlhalosetsa gore kana basadi ba, it's not like ba lwela go robala le nna because ba batla go robala le nna. Ha ba tloga ba lwela go robala le nna is because o mo le mo batla go bontsha gore I'm in charge as a wife. I can have him for the night. La nka robala ke apere di leggings tse 5 le di jersey tse 10, but I'll be having him in my bed. It's an authority thing. It's my turn and I'm gonna utilize it, even though I have to dress wisely in bed. Yeah. So yeah, Mseliku, Mmayene doesn't want to sleep with Mseliku, even though Nelly Mseliku. She's not okay. I think Mmayene has a lot of issues to address. Ke batho ba le ba tshwarang everything ka pelo. Kante ha o le mo lenyalong. This is just something that I learned as I go. Ha o le mo lenyalong, not everything needs your attention because they'll always come up There'll always be something that comes up mo lenyalong se sa go tshwareng sentle. But if you're going to address every single thing that se sa go tshwareng sentle mo lenyalong la gago, it means you will never have a happy marriage, because most of the times your husband will be doing stuff that don't make you happy. Some of them you have to brush them off. In a nutshell, choose your battles wisely, Mayeni. Mthembeni is a man, and no worse, una le basadi ba bakae. So you always flip flop, and when he's doing those things, some of them you have to let them slide. Let them slide. O ka se kwatele gore ba rile go to a trip and do self catering. O tlhalositse gore you don't want to do that. Now Mthembeni, as the man he is, he's decided gore I'll always make sure the food is there. Ever since they arrived there, ntse gona le dijo, ntse baja, breakfast botla, baja. Supper itlile the other day, baja. They never even said thank you for organizing the food, you know? Because ne re expectile gore ra go fitlha re kgathetse be re tshwantse go rape. Re fitlha re lapile re tshwantse gore re simolla rape ko ntlheng. The man, the same man who said let's do self catering so that we can bond, is the same man o irileng sure gore dijo di nna teng. Ha ba apeya the first night they arrived, ha ba apeya the breakfast they were eating today. But ha ba budiwa gore grocery list ba shebana, ga gona po batlang go bua. Nna in my own opinion, basadi ba Gamseleku, they are ungrateful. They're very ungrateful. And then number 5, ena ke yo segaka ka mesisi, go busy man. Like she's living her own private life and it looks happy life ya gagwe. You know, sometimes ha basadi ba ba go rejectane, it's a blessing in disguise. They are rejecting her. And then she's busy making her own babies there, Lemseleku, making her dresses in private for a coming ceremony. Bona, she's just doing things alone. Nagana if they were in the mix. Gote ai wena mo thuse go organize mosisi, wena mo thuse go organize dikuku, Mayeni wena. Then they come together. They have to come together and quarrel and not love each other as much as they should. They don't love each other, we know that much we know. The only people who try to get along ke Mangwabele Makhumalo. The rest, they are just forcing issues. So number 5, a fetsa go dira dilo tsa gagwe le the designer, o fonela monna gagwe, o fonela umfana ba bua le number 5. Umfana ha rate Singisi, o mmolella gore hey, this English of yours, ngwana wa batho fela ha re I miss you. Ai a ba sentse dilo gore wena o bua Sekgowa, ha tshwana go bua Sekgowa, o tshwantse gore a phelantsa bua seZulu. Sansa tlhaloganye number 5 ile 2K, probably went to a private school or something. So you know what, you have to understand, number 5 will always speak English. La gore betsa motho go gagwe during cuddling, girl is gonna be speaking English, so you better get used to it, Baba Mseleku. So yeah guys, that's what we got from yesterday's episode. So talk to me on the comment section. Let me know what you think about all of this. Our favorite show is coming again tonight, so you will definitely be seeing me on your screens again for another review. Thank you so much for coming. Kindly subscribe and like the video, and I will certainly see you on my next upload.